Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and we finally entered to the last week of this year 2020. So if you guys new here, I am Zinal and welcome to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel before you leave. I am going to do a New Year's Eve makeup look in this video, so if you guys want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I am going to moisturize and prep my skin with INDULGEO Rose Gold Oil, and this oil works really well as moisturizer and primer also. And now I'm going to correct my dark circles with MAC concealer in the shade NW35, and I'm just dabbing it into my skin with concealer brush. I am applying this concealer on the areas where I have dark patches. Now I'm going to apply L.A.GIRL concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I am taking it a little more as I am not going to use any foundation today. I am applying this on my under eyes and my T-zone area. Now I'm taking a darker shade and going to do my contour. I am applying this shade on the hollows of my cheeks, on my jawline, on my forehead and sides of the nose. I am also contouring my eyes as well. And now I'm going to blend this with my small damp beauty blender. I'm just dabbing this concealer into my skin with a very light hand. Now whatever product left on my beauty blender, I'm going to dab it on my bare skin to make it look even out. Now I'm taking this flat contouring brush and blending this shade into my skin. Blend this dark contour shade very well. Take your time, because when the harsh contour line appears, it looks very bad. And now I'm taking my wet beauty blender and blending all the things together. Now I'm taking this light shade of the concealer from Makeup Revolution and applying it on my under eyes, on my T-zone to make it look more highlighted. Now I'm going to blend it with the same damp beauty blender. You can see the center of my face looks more highlighted and bright. Now I'm going to set all the liquid concealer and contouring products with the powder. And here I'm taking a banana powder from Makeup Revolution and applying it with my small powder brush. I'm just dusting off the excess powder and make sure I have applied it all over my face. Now I'm taking this HOOLA contour powder from Benefit to set my liquid contour. This powder contour is the best one. It has a buttery texture and it blends into the skin so seamlessly. Now I'm taking this blush palette from NYX and just mixing all the colors together and applying it on my apples of the cheeks. Now we're moving on to the eyes. I'm taking this Huda Beauty Smoke Obsession palette and taking this nude shade and applying it all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking this darker shade from the palette and contouring my eyelids with it and blending it very well. Now I am deepening up the colors little more, and with my clear fluffy brush I am blending all the things together. Now I am taking this darker shade from the palette and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes to create an outer V shape. Now I'm taking this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette and taking this black shimmery shade that has a violet glitter into it and applying this on the inner corner and center of my eyelids. Here I'm taking a small precise brush and applying this shimmer shade into the inner corners of my eyes and creating a proper eye shape. Again, I'm taking my previous blending brush and make sure shimmer and matte shade blends together. I have a slight fallout from the shimmer shade and I'm just dusting off with my fluffy brush before it sets on my under eyes. So I feel like there's no New Year Eve look is complete without glitter. So here I'm taking a glitter liner in the shade Amethyst from FOCALLURE. It has a purple glitter into it and it looks so gorgeous when the light hits on it. I'm stepping it on the middle of my eyelids. Now I'm taking this purple gel liner from NYKAA Beauty and I am applying this on the lower lash line and going to smudge it out with a small pencil brush. So now I'm taking this pink shimmer shade from the palette and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. So next I'm taking a Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and applying it on the high point of my face. I have just realized my eyes are not totally complete. I have totally forgot to apply eyeliner, so here I am applying a Kat Von D eyeliner and pop some lashes. Now I'm going to fill my brows with my holy grail product, Miss Claire Eyebrow Pancake, and this literally lifts my whole makeup look. Now to complete my look, I am using NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Cannes. And lastly, I am applying a white gel liner from Forever 52 to make my eyes look bigger. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you're gonna try this look, then please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Also, all the product list and my Insta handle I have already linked it down below. Give a big thumbs up to this video and enjoy your New Year's Eve with your loved ones and family. Bye bye, guys.